What's going on, you guys? It's Margie, aka Vape Tech Unboxed. Welcome back to the channel, and in today's video, you guys, we are going to be unboxing the Xbox One S in 2019. We're gonna see if this bad boy is still worth your money. I actually think it is because I was able to grab this on Christmas Eve for $199 off of Amazon. I think that's a great deal. So yeah, that's what we're gonna be doing today. But before we begin the video, I hope you all have any fantastic day or night wherever you are, and I love you guys, but you already know that. Now let's jump into this video. Alright, so here we go. Here it is. This is the deluxe edition with Battlefield. Is that a 5? Is that a 5? Okay, that's a 5. I have Nicole helping me with the camera. As you guys can see, this is not our normal filming area. Kinda, it's a little funky, but this package is big, so I needed the extra help, so shout out to Nicole. If you guys are interested in makeup, go check out her channel. She does a lot of makeup stuff. That link will be in the description. All right, here we go. So we're gonna be taking a look at this. This is the 1 terabyte version. Like I said, it should come with Battlefield. I don't know, ordering off of eBay and Amazon, sometimes you can never be too sure if you get your codes and stuff, so I guess we will see. So let's go ahead and open this up. You guys know I'm terrible with the unboxing knife, but there you go. Alright, so I guess this just slides out. If you guys didn't know, I did start up a gaming channel. One of the Xbox games something about the Xbox will probably be my first video on that channel. Again, if you guys are interested in, that's gonna be down in the description. All right, nothing else in this. So it should also include an Xbox Game Pass, Xbox Live Gold. So like I said, we can never be too sure when you're ordering, but get that out of here. All right, here it is. There's the back. Now this bad boy, let's see, what does it have? The most advanced multiplayer network, Blu-ray and video streaming at 4K, and it does have HDR, high dynamic range for gaming and video. 1 terabyte. Here we go. We need this again, so let's go ahead and get that open. All right. This says Xbox One on it. All your little instructions. We don't need that. Get that out of here. Right. We got one box here, another here. Okay. And then we have the console. Nothing else in this box. Hope this doesn't hit my dog's butt. Get that out of here.
Yep, you scared Hannah to death.
Sorry, baby.
Sorry, baby.
All right. Dog is okay. It missed her by a little hair. Okay, there's the console. Let's go ahead and see what we got. So this little box here has all my codes. I'm not gonna really take them out because I don't want none of you sneaky follows to download my game. So we'll set that aside. Just know that that's the codes. All right, in here we've got your cable. So this is for your power. We've got your Xbox controller. You guys, on my other channel, I will be collecting Xbox controllers. So if you guys want to see a first-time Xbox user coming from PS4, if you want to see that, and I'm going to start collecting these bad boys, then make sure you head onto that channel. But look at how clean that looks. It looks nice. They also send you with some batteries, so of course we'll throw those in there. Nothing else in there. We're going to get that out of here. All right, we'll put this off to the side. You also get your HDMI cable, HDMI to HDMI. Nothing else in there. Get that out of here. Get that out. All right. Get that out of here. Get that out of here. You guys know how we do in here when we do our unboxings. If I showed you guys the studio right now, you guys would freak out because it looks like a tornado hit it.
Ooh,
get that out of here.
That's nice.
So of course we got the plain white version, which is perfect because I will be doing a setup tour, but the whole setup is black and white. So yeah, this is gonna look clean. Right now I have the PlayStation 4 on there. I'm gonna move that to the living room, and then I am going to stick this here in the studio where my monitor and everything's set up. But here you go. This is the console. It's really heavy. I thought that the stand was supposed to be included, but I don't see that in here. All right, you guys, so scratch that. I guess this one did not come with the stand. I know there are some that do, but yeah. We've got the controller, your HDMI cable, your power cable, and your console. And of course, I'll update you guys on all my social media, so make sure you guys go follow me over there. But I'll update you guys on social if these codes actually worked, because yeah, I'm not really counting on them working.
Why?
Because I read a lot of reviews that bought off Amazon that said when they got their codes, they were taken out, like they were used.
Really?
So somebody used the code, re-stickered the box, and then put it to sell. So you can never be too sure, you know, if it's coming from Amazon or eBay. Oh. Anyways, I'm really excited about this controller. I don't know if you guys know this, but I do play Nintendo Switch a lot, and I've been playing a lot of Fortnite on both PlayStation 4 and Nintendo Switch. The Nintendo Switch Pro controller is pretty much the same setup as the Xbox, and then the PS4 controller, you know, has the 2 joysticks down here. I find that the setup of the Nintendo Switch Pro controller and the Xbox controller it's more comfortable. So it's more comfortable for me to play, and yeah, I like the joysticks one above each other. So I am excited to start playing on this, and I'll let you guys know how it goes. Anyways, that's gonna wrap up this video. Let me know what you guys think about the Xbox One S in 2019. Is it still worth it? I don't know, I guess we'll find out. So if you guys want any updated videos, that's gonna be on my gaming channel. Make sure you guys go check that out. If you guys aren't subscribed to this channel, make sure you guys hit that subscribe button, drop a like on the video. Let me know what you think about this down in the comments. Also, if you guys have any gaming suggestions or any other tech suggestions that you guys want me to pick up before you buy, make sure you drop that down below as well. Again, shout out to Nicole for helping with the video. If you guys are into makeup, make sure you go check out her channel. That's gonna be down below in the description, along with all my social media links and the link to the Xbox. Like I said, I got it for $199. I think the price jumped up to $250, but whatever, it's gonna be in the description if you guys want to check this out for yourself. A big shout out to all my trim VPs who show love on my second channel, and also who show love on our vlogging channel and all my social media. So yeah, big shout out to you guys. I love each and every single one of you guys. Y'all better stay freaking dope, and I will catch you in the next video.